guys, welcome back to Makeup with me. We're gonna be doing the non-binary flag for today's Pride Month look. And I'm gonna keep it pretty simple because I want people who are non-binary to feel comfortable wearing this makeup look. So we're just gonna do like a upside down cat eye, I think is what it's called. Anyway, I already did my base, so we're gonna do it. So not only is this going to be like really simple, easy, in my opinion, tell me if I'm wrong. It's also probably gonna be like a really quick makeup look too. But anyway, I'm going to take like a pencil liner in black, and we're just gonna line the inside of my eyes. Both the bottom. Make the bottom kind of like messy too. I lined inside and then like a little on the outside. See? And then I'm also gonna line the top, which is my least favorite. I realize my fingers are in the way, but you guys probably don't want to see me put something so close to my eye anyway. There we go. So nice and tightly lined. Here you already saw it in like my thumbnail, but if you don't know, the non-binary flag colors are yellow, white, purple, and black. This is going to be the black. I'm also, just so that I know like where I'm doing this, I'm gonna take a liquid liner and make a nice little inner corner here. I love doing like inner corner pointy things because I feel like it just screams like not friendly, not friendly. But I'm also wrong because I keep getting approached in public, so not because they know me, just because they're like, hey, can you tell me how you did that? Can you take our picture for us? And I'm like, yeah, I can do that. All right, now I'm also going to take a pointy thin brush. Get a little bit of gel liner on it and drag that from the bottom here. And then also drag it a little bit on my top eyelid here. And with a like flat-ish rounded brush, I am blending that out with a little bit of black eyeshadow. I'm also gonna take it a little bit above my eyelashes on the top. Then I'm going in with a little fluffy brush and some purple, and I'm blending that. Ooh, I put it a little too low. I'm blending that into the black. Now for the rest of the look, I kind of thought of a few different things that we could do. The one that I'm going to do is I'm going to take some yellow water activated eyeliner, and I'm just going to put like a line that goes above my eyebrow, down my lid, and under my eye. Kind of like a cute little yellow scar. Then I'm going to put some white over here, but before I do that, I'm going to show you what I kind of want to do the other way. And that was put dots in the color of the flags under, like on this like corner ridge thing of my eye. So I'm gonna start with the white up here, and we're just gonna put a little dot. Then I'm gonna go in with white, and on this side, we're just gonna put it in my eyebrow part. And on this side, we're gonna do a dot. So for purple, I only really have this like pastel-y purple liner. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that and put a dot right here. Then I'm gonna go in with black and put a dot. And I'm going to line as tightly as possible. Oh, I'm also gonna put on some lashes. Just some little ones, like my smallest lashes that, according to my friends, are not small. I'm going to put a little bit of purple highlighter on my nose just because I want highlighter on there, but you don't need to put highlighter if you don't want any. And then a little bit on my cheekbones. I also feel like I pretty much never use this lip liner, so I'm going to line my lips in gray. Then I'm gonna plop a little bit of gloss on there because I am so obsessed with glossy lips for whatever reason right now. And this has like purpley, pinky glitters in it. All right, and this is the final look. It's to me super easy. Let me know if you think it's super easy or not. And then I can like try to work on like what I think what versus what you guys think is easy and say what really is easy. It's also like I love doing an under eye cat eye. I don't know what this is called, but I love doing it. It's like one of my favorite looks. It's so chill. It like makes me feel like I look unapproachable. It's great. I love it. And I love yellow and purple together. I feel like it's so good. It just looks so good, yellow and purple. So that's my favorite part of this look, especially like this little, you know. Let me know if you are non-binary, if you would wear this look. Obviously, like you don't need to wear the lashes if you don't want to. You don't need to add the highlighter if you want to keep it more like, you know, non-binary. But I hope that you guys are all having a wonderful Pride Month, and I can't wait to see you next time for whatever look I do. Let me know which one you want me to do. Okay, bye.